So I thought today would be a good day to talk about that F word, maybe bring up the F word once in a while and see where this takes us. So, you know, it's used in different ways in software, right, Earl? I mean, it kind of is an interesting concept all on its own.
It is. This is probably one of the interesting things about it is when we think about the F word feature, this is a very common word in software. This is a word we use all the time. We have things like feature specs and we organize by features and we promise deliveries at certain milestones. What features are you can deliver? What features will be available at the release? Features, features, features. And one of the issues that we have though, because we use this word so much, we actually have two slightly variations of what this word actually means. And this gets us in, I think, a ton of trouble because when we use feature in one way, and in its meaning, it makes perfect good sense for some applications, but not in others. And when we use it the other way, it works really well in those other applications, but not in the former. And so one of the things we got to tease out here a little bit is when do we use what sort of sense of the word feature? Because we use this a lot of ways, particularly, and what we sort of want to, I think, position this podcast as is how we organize and deliver the work, right? Organizing work and the F word. How do we want to organize our work? Because we have traditionally, for a long time, been organizing around features. But if this word has two different meanings, two different senses to it, what are we actually organizing around? So I think this ambiguity about these two different sort of takes on feature, and probably there's more, but at least there's two major takes on feature, are driving a lot of project dysfunction.
So why don't you give us those two contrasting definitions to work with?
Well,
Man.
Yeah.
The straight man. I love a straight man. So what do we mean by the term feature? I think, well, the most common one.